Here we are, Steve and Jennifer at the common milkweed, getting about 6 inches of rain, which is great. We needed it, but it's flooding our garden. You can see Jennifer's kind of shows us what probably used to be here before we were, which was probably little streams with the vernal pools and stuff, which we're trying to restore. So check out this. There's our wood for the winter. I'm kind of walking over to our little creek. She said it's out of the banks. Kind of flowing like a creek in here too. That's just our yard. We're very grateful for rain. We've been pretty dry. I think we've got about probably 4 or 5, maybe 5 inches so far. Here's our little creek with the bridge over it. Wow, the water is like right, you probably can't see that, but right below that. Crazy. You gotta take what you get.